Are you looking to change Siri's language on your iPhone? Whether you want Siri to speak a different language or practice a new one, it's a simple process. This guide will help you through the steps to update Siri's language settings effortlessly. So, let's get started. Change Siri's language from Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Siri. Under the Siri Request section, tap Language. You'll see a list of available languages. Scroll and select your desired language. Then, go back to the previous settings page. A prompt will appear confirming the language change. Tap Change Language to proceed. Step 2. Enable Siri's voice in the new language. While you are still in the Siri settings, tap Voice. Select a voice variant for the chosen language. Some languages may offer multiple accents and voice types. Wait for the voice to download and set it as active. Step 3. Restart Siri for changes to take effect. Activate Siri by saying "Hey Siri" or holding the side button. Try speaking in the new language to ensure the changes have taken effect. By following these steps, you can easily change Siri's language and enjoy a personalized experience. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.